Well, hi again, everyone. I'm Two Works for You Storm Shield Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony. If you've missed any of our Facebook Lives talking about this weekend event coming up, a storm of sorts, we're going to have some rain. We're going to have a lot of rain, maybe a little bit of freezing rain across the area. So I'm not going to call it an ice storm or anything like that. And if it would be a pretty lackluster ice storm by Tulsa standards. At any rate, we're going to talk about that right now when it comes to what's going to be going on over the weekend. We're in this nice west to east flow here, which has brought us some wonderful weather. Temperatures in the 70s again tomorrow. That's helping to warm the surface. So that'll be a key as we go forward toward the weekend. The storm system that we're talking about is this piece of energy off the west coast out here, and it is spinning. And as it drops down to the south, it will send out pieces of energy that will move across the southern plains and up across Oklahoma. So it'll be one of those pieces of energy Friday morning along a stalled out boundary that will help to initiate or start some light freezing rain in the area. The storm itself gets hung back here into California, Southern California, by Friday morning. So this might help us because look at all this warm air. Now, granted, we know that it's warm air overrunning a shallow layer of cold air at the surface, but it also helps to pull some even surface warmer air in, and so that might just be enough to get our temperatures back above freezing by Friday late morning or early afternoon in the Tulsa area and reduce the amount of icing that we see. In fact, I think it really will for all of Oklahoma, and here's what I mean by that. Friday morning, we'll put this into motion. The pink area, of course, freezing rain. The green area, this is all rain. And notice how the dividing line, boy, doesn't it always seem this way? Right on Interstate 44, so north and west of that, the temperature probably at about 32 degrees. South of I-44, the temperature is probably about 33 degrees. So let me draw my 33 in here so you can see that. So just above freezing south of Interstate 44. Put that into motion for you, and you'll notice it turns to all rain by Friday evening. So I think Friday evening events would be okay, and then overnight into Saturday, we're watching temperatures stay above freezing. The amounts of ice really light in the Tulsa area, 0.02 of an inch, maybe 1/10 of an inch of ice at Bartlesville. And as I widen things out here, you can see there's a swath in southeast Missouri and west central Oklahoma that might see a little heavier ice. Rainfall is another issue with this storm. A lot of rainfall. Could be heavy rain at times, especially from Tulsa to the south and southeast Saturday afternoon and again Sunday into Monday. So here are the highlights. Friday morning to Monday morning is when the timing of the storm would be. It starts about 3 a.m. Friday morning. The best chance to see ice will be north and west of Tulsa. The south of Tulsa, southern Oklahoma, has the best chance for heavy rain. Could see up to 1/4 of an inch of ice north if it maximized, but 3 to 5 inches of rainfall down to the south. And the severe threats here right now appear to be flash flooding and some lightning. So that's the way things set up here as we go into the middle of the week. Of course, we'll continue to update the storm via this video blog. Thanks for checking out KJRH.com, and we'll see you next time.